So when looking to get more power out of my Indian Chieftain, I started looking at different options. One of them was high lift cams. With high lift cams, you could run into valve spring issues with the stock valve springs, and your clutch could start slipping. So with that in mind, I decided to just go a little bit further and get the Indian 116 kit. Now these are all the old parts from the 111, since the kit's already been installed and I finished breaking it in. These are the old cylinder bores, so the new ones increase the capacity of the engine to 116 cubic inches. These are the old pistons, which the new ones are high compression. You do get new forged connecting rods, which the old ones they didn't give me back because they have to cut them, so I guess I just threw them away. You get high lift Indian cams, new clutch springs, new valve springs, and you get new valve seals. If you can see these little seals here, they actually gave me back the old ones, so that was a question that I sort of was wondering. They give you a larger intake manifold. This is the old 54 millimeter. The new one's a 60. They give a new, larger throttle body. So the new one's 60, which if you have an aftermarket air cleaner, you might want to check to make sure it's compatible with this kit. My Ohlins air cleaner is not compatible with the 116 kit, so I went to the Indian high flow air cleaner. That's the round one with open edges, so I'm fine with that one. So since it's all installed and broken in, let's go take it for a ride.
All right, I'm out here gonna go for a ride. You can see the new air cleaner. Let you guys hear the idle. So the bike's idle is a bit lumpy, but it sounds pretty good. Let's go take it for a ride. So I've broken in the bike now. I've tried a couple different tunes. The Indian tune did throw a code one time. A couple other tunes aren't doing too bad. Right now I got the tune in that seems to work the best. The idle does seem a little bit on the rough side compared to the other tune that I had. But this one seems to work the best so far, so I just have to work on my tunes a little bit. I might go for a custom tune. It might be a little better than getting one of the canned tunes I've been using. I guess he doesn't want to race. Go. So far, I'm pretty happy with the power output. You know, no one ever does this in these 116 videos. So that probably gives away, does it have more power and is it faster? Oh yeah. Ooh, parkway. Oh, that was Sheriff. What timing? Wonder if you heard that. It hasn't turned around yet. So the bike definitely has more power. The bike actually, if I take it easy like I am now, seems to get better gas mileage. And it's not really louder. I heard some people say that the bike gets louder and the tone changes, which when you're going at a nice cruise like this, you don't really notice any difference. It's when you get on the throttle and hit about 3,000 RPM or above, it does start barking. So the power comes off pretty good off idle. When you hit about 2,500, 3,000 RPM, that's when it really starts picking up. And that's, see, right about there is a good power range. Not a whole lot of room on these roads, so let it go, but it's fun to roll on the power on it now. Before, yeah, it wasn't slow, but now you gotta have some room if you really want to let it go. So I've had a bit of time to get used to the bike. The throttle at lower speeds is a little bit more sensitive. Nice downshift. Come out with some power. Yeah, I hit the red line. Not quite used to how quickly this thing will rev. Let me see if I get a couple more throttle roll-ons for you guys to give you guys an idea of the quickness of the bike now. It's not sport bike quick like my Aprilia. So as you can see, the Chieftain is a bit faster and I think a little bit louder. It's got to get a little roar to it now. I was finishing off the braking actually. I figure I need to take it up to redline about now. It has enough miles on it. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Later.